For the families of children with disabilities, even the simple things that we all take for granted can become extremely difficult. Even a drive to Vancouver could be literally impossible. On today's show, we're going to step inside this bus, the Shriners Care Cruiser, and learn just what a difference it makes in the lives of those families. Well, now we're with Dan Miller, a proud Shriner, in front of one of your really great highway cruisers. Tell us a little bit about the bus program.
Well, they are excellent. We have 5 of them in British Columbia that we travel around the province to certain hubs and pick up children and transport them to a number of different locations, either to BC Children's Hospital, Sunny Hill, Canuck Place, or of course one of our 22 children's hospitals throughout North America.
Wow.
The 2 hospitals we actually serve here in British Columbia, for the most part, are our hospital in Portland and our hospital in Spokane.
It's an amazing operation. We're going to learn a little bit more, and we're going to get a tour inside the bus and meet some of the people that the Shriners are helping with this incredible program coming up on today's show. Now we've come on board the bus. We're with Tracy Cromwell, Executive Director of Shriners Care for Kids. And from here forward, it looks pretty much like a regular bus, Tracy. But once you get past this wall, the changes really show up.
Yeah, exactly. So what we do with the buses is we take them and we do some modifications on them so we can be much more helpful with some of the families that need to transport their children around. So one area over here, you can see we've taken it out. We actually have a bed in here. So for some kids, especially, we do a lot with orthopedics. So you think of back surgeries, things like that, casting, people can't even sit. So they need to be able to lay down. As we go back here, we've got room and we've got a lift in the back. Sure.
We'll drag Chris along with us here. So check this out, full hospital bed here. So that's got to be very handy.
We've got parents who are in really stressful situations. Right. This is one time they get to actually take a bit of a break.
Right.
You know, leave the driving to us, relax. Your kids are safe, we're safe, we'll get you where you need to be. Just relax for a little bit. Let us take a bit of that burden for you.
And here's where you park the wheelchair?
Yep, so we've got a lift in the back of the bus because we sometimes bring people in who are on stretchers to begin with.
Right.
So they'd come in on the stretchers, come in here, or if they need to be lifted up in their own wheelchair, or we can help them out with wheelchairs if they need them. Then we've got a space for them here that's properly secured, where they can secure the wheelchair as it should be. So again, all about safety, all about comfort, all about giving families that access to care that they really need, that without the service we provide, a lot of them are completely stuck. They have no way of getting to the hospital, let alone getting back home again, which is really important to a lot of them.